to Phuket here in Thailand.
All we have is nothing, sometimes nothing's all you need. When you're stripped of all your armor, you can finally feel the breeze. We're living in the moment. We ain't got pockets full of money, but we're rich in other things. This highway is our living room, we're swimming in the mystery. We're living in the moment.
Good morning and welcome to sunset here in Phuket in Thailand. It's the 7th of December. It's actually my nephew Alexander's birthday, so I'm Uncle Johan now. Pretty crazy. Just gonna enjoy a bit of the sunrise here, fly my drone. I'm just gonna explore a bit here together with my family, a few days, relax. Not travel around as much when I did this in Thailand, but it's beautiful to watch the sunrise here. Have some fantastic foods. We've been having great breakfast and lunch and dinner here. It doesn't have to be so complicated. Just relaxing, enjoying the great view. So I'm gonna show some clips here probably in the background, but not do too many crazy things. Just relax a bit here. Less activity and action compared to Bangkok perhaps, but nothing wrong with that. You gotta relax a bit as well. So just wanted to share this morning with you. Hope to see you a bit later, see what happens these days. Yeah, so good morning once again. Welcome to Phuket here in Thailand. I just woke up this morning and realized my phone is not working, so I have to go to a repair shop, probably spend like 2 hours doing that. I'm gonna meet up with my family just here waiting for the breakfast. Yeah, you gotta reserve the seats earlier so you don't lose out later. But as mentioned, I have to go and travel and find a repair shop to make the phone work. We had a lot of great food so far, a lot of fantastic curries, like seafood, grilled things. A lot of amazing and tasty food here in Thailand, especially like the green curry, but now I'm gonna have some more breakfast, so see a bit later, see what we find during the day. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the breakfast buffet. It's always the best part in the background, but I always try to have high protein, healthy stuff. There's a lot of amazing things here, like you have waffles, so many nice like desserts, cereals, fantastic stuff. But if you eat that all the time, you definitely don't stay in shape, so I'm gonna have a very high protein breakfast, like always, like omelette, eggs, maybe some chicken also. I mix it up a little bit, but just want to show you in the background, so I'm gonna enjoy it now. See a bit later. Okay, so now we're actually in Phuket Old Town. As I mentioned, my phone broke, but nothing bad. It doesn't bring anything good with it. So I have my phone now, and on the way actually the driver took me past this very old area in Old Phuket. It's very colorful and really, really nice buildings. So I'm just gonna walk around here, have a coffee and celebrate that my phone now is working and really fantastic. And you forget sometimes how important that is to have safety and things like a phone that is reliable and works. So I'm just gonna enjoy this super nice background here, have a bit of a coffee and share with the driver as a thanks. And then go back, have some nice lunch. But yeah, just happy to be out here exploring again, see some more things than just the resort. Hope you also can enjoy some of these great views in the background, so see you there. Yeah, this was definitely a bit unexpected. You have like a nice temple here in the background, and all these really cozy old streets here. So I'm just gonna pick up that coffee here, but just so happy the driver showed me this. That's what happens when you connect with people, sit down, look at the phone. I didn't have my phone, so you talk to people instead, and you find all this really cool, colorful background. Really, really nice. And just go back, have lunch after this. But I just love walking around. I think that's the best way to explore the cities here. So much culture. A lot of Chinese lanterns here as well, but it's all these pink colors. Yeah, so nice. Now go get that coffee. We'll get a really pink cafe here. Cozy environment. But yeah, let's get this ice americano on the go. Do you also want to be here? Yes. Yeah, they asked if I'm a YouTuber and said to subscribe. Hello. So what should they do? Subscribe? Sawadee Krap. What should they do? Subscribe? Subscribe. Yes. See you there. Yes, thank you. That's amazing with the coffee. So we get 2 coffees to the driver. Let's go back. Great. So now we're back at the hotel. Gonna do some massage a bit first and then go for lunch. Good to relax a little bit. So see you there. Just love this tropical weather when you walk around and you see the beach in the background and you have all these like restaurants along the streets. Gonna sit down and eat a little bit, get some energy, then probably go and do a bit of exercise and work out later to burn off some of those calories as well. Just relaxing. It's vacation after all, don't have to do too many crazy things. I'm just gonna find a place here, I think, in the background, enjoy something. We'll see something Thai, that's for sure. Nice, we finally got the lunch here, a bit of a seafood. Actually, I expected kind of a bowl with a lot of more stuff, but I'm not complaining. Keeping it very healthy, very high profile, just like the breakfast. I had a lot of eggs and actually some shrimp there as well. So I'm gonna try this, also waiting for the chicken skewers, keeping it kind of lean, a little bit old, but not too much. But I'm just gonna enjoy this first. Let's try it out. Let's start with this piece of fish here. We have some shrimp later, but let's have this first. Very mild, creamy, with spices for sure. Love this lemongrass and chili combo. Then of course a little bit of a shrimp. Let's have it. Very tasty. Not that spicy, a little bit. They always ask you how spicy you want it. I say normal, but yeah, sometimes it's very bland, actually, in these kind of tourist spots. Yeah, so let's make sure we get the whole chili in here. Falling down, shrimp, but we have a bit of chili here. Let's have it. And then we got the sauté here. That's looking very nice. Yeah, you definitely need to boost the protein a bit with some skewers. Got also some rice here, but probably gonna skip that, just have a little bit to be a little bit full, but saving the calories for dinners. That's how I stay full and not get too many calories. I have a lot of music on in the background out in the street here, but yeah, I'm gonna relax, no partying for me. And let's have a bit of this squid, a very interesting squid flour, I think it's called. Let's have it. Very true. Then you get a bit of a side salad here, but it's normally drenched in a lot of dressing. You don't want to eat too much of that, that's unnecessary calorie, but try it. Not too bad. Sesame dressing, want to stay away from that as well, Pat. But okay, let's go for the chicken satay here. Wow, steaming hot on the grill. There's a lot of good protein there. Also get this sweet and sour sauce here. You can just try it for taste, but I'm gonna skip away from it mostly. I'm just gonna try it here. Wow, that's really good. Normally you get this without peanut sauce, but I'm allergic to that, so I'm skipping it. So I'm just gonna take my time, enjoy this very nice lunch. Then we'll see what's up next. Maybe sauce, something else. We'll see. See you there. Good morning and welcome once again to beautiful Karon here in Phuket, Thailand. It's been a pretty relaxing morning. It's a bit cloudy outside here, so just had a good high protein breakfast as always. Even had a bit of a pancake there. Also last night had some nice food with some shrimp, some curry, and also did some exercise. But now I'm going to do a bit of a foot massage and then probably take a walk. I already went for a walk, but I'm doing another one now. So I'm going to walk in here, sit down a little bit, make sure my feet don't get too destroyed by walking too much. So let's go inside and see what that turns out to be. Interesting. So we got this nice cushion here, sitting down very comfortably, waiting for someone to show up here. It's going to be very enjoyable, I'm sure. Time to get those feet clean and massaged. I'm just going to relax a bit here. It's going to be good. Nice, some cleaning. That is probably well deserved after my gym session earlier. Not so fresh for sure. Yeah, I'm just gonna lay down a bit, relax and put away the phone and the camera. You don't have to have it all the time. And enjoy this more professional treatment by the lady. She seems to be knowing what she's doing. Just be in the moment for a bit, so see you guys later. Wow, so that was definitely super enjoyable and well needed. I feel my legs are kind of like quite tense after standing up, working and walking a lot, but that's how I stay active. So I'm just gonna continue walking a little bit along the road here, get some extra steps in, but I'm starting to get hungry and looking forward to a really good pad thai, maybe with some shrimps and a side of skewers or something else with protein, maybe some seafood, some sea bass, something like that. Relatively healthy, but I feel I sleep better if I have some carbs in the evening. I'm gonna save it also now a little bit for lunch, and for breakfast I skip it normally. I just keep it high protein. Also nice to just mix it in a bit, so I'm just gonna take a stroll, walk around here, and hopefully go to the pool a little bit. So we'll see what's up. See you later. Okay, so finally it's time for lunch. We found this place, Lamit and Bounty Seafood 2. Very innovative name. You can have some fantastic seafood here. Sit down, we have some pad thai and some smoked fish. I'm sure it's going to be very nice. That was a pretty spectacular meal. Sharing is definitely caring. We got this nice pineapple with the rice, and we had the whole fish and also pad thai. You gotta be careful with the nuts, take them out. I'm allergic to cashew nut and peanuts, but luckily I could get some small pieces of those. Very enjoyable. Now we're gonna have some coconuts and sit down to the pool. 30 baht, that's like €1, so pretty good deal. Let's try it. Fantastic. Yes, very good. Cutting up the coconut. It's gonna be magical. Fresh. That is amazing. Let's try it. Okay, so the coconut is acquired and we got it here. Looking very tasty, full of good stuff, nutrients, electrolytes. Let's try it. Wow, that is sweet. Some natural sugars. Definitely good stuff for you. Yeah, I'm just gonna relax a bit. sit by the pool here, take my time, and I'll see a bit later. Nice, welcome to evening here in Phuket. We're gonna have some nice dinner, just walking along the beach. So much cozier when the lights are coming out. See if we can have some seafood, or actually I think I want to have some red curry, maybe with some chicken. I'm really becoming a big fan of that. We'll see. I have all this nice fresh fish here being served, but I think curry is what I feel like, so we'll see if I can find. Okay, so that was a very, very nice dinner. We had some curry and we had some shrimp. Very good combination of stuff. I just love to share with the friends and family. We had some spring rolls, definitely a very enjoyable dinner, but now we're gonna call it a quite early evening, go back. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, so welcome to the last day here in Phuket. It's a bit sunny now, finally. It's been like a bit rainy and cloudy early, but now the weather is nice. Just came back from a very nice massage here in the background. A nice time for lunch. Gonna have some nice pad thai. I'm in Thailand after all, and maybe some more chicken. So let's go up and enjoy some good lunch. Fantastic. So finally we got the food, and we even have some Christmas feeling with the Christmas tree in the background. It's only a few weeks to go, and I'm gonna enjoy this amazing noodle pad thai, and also these skewers. Gonna have one bite here. Totally amazing. I love with this. Yeah, see a bit later. Yeah, after that totally amazing lunch, it's time to go back to the beach here and relax a little bit. I don't normally spend a lot of time on the beach, but I'm here and it's the last day. Tomorrow we're going back to first Bangkok and then fly back to Sweden and cold Stockholm for some Christmas. But yeah, just gonna relax a little bit here, enjoy the last piece I can see here. Then we'll see, then it's just dinner in a few hours, the highlight of the day. So yeah, see you there. Nice, after some time resting, it's time to have the final dinner here. Just passing by the pool the last time here. Gonna see if we can find some interesting, nice restaurants. Definitely feeling hungry, looking forward to some good food again. Wow, here they're playing some local music. Very nice, next to the Christmas tree. There's a lot of Christmas decorations here everywhere, but now let's go and get the food. Nice, so we're out on the main street now. There's a lot of cars and stuff going on. I'm gonna go and check this red chopsticks. We ate there actually earlier in the week. We'll see, they had a lot of cool stuff mixing like Chinese and local food. So you'll see very cozy interior. Let's go and check out the menu. Fantastic, we got the red chopsticks in the red chopsticks. Great combo, and we have the amazing food here. We have some beef, actually more than I thought. Gonna try it out here. It looks crazy nice. Let's take a look at this beef here. A bit of a starter. Wanna waiting for the others. So let's try it out first. Wow, that is tender. That is amazing. It's a bit of a pepper flavor. So let's try to dip it in here. That is looking amazing. Wow, it's like chili with some basil, I think, or maybe lemongrass actually. Yeah, I take my time, enjoy this a bit, and then we'll wait for the curry, I think, or maybe I'm gonna have the chicken with the basil leaf and some rice. Really classic. So let's see when that comes in. Fantastic. So we finally got the food, and it's looking incredible. We have the nice chicken and the basil leaves. Just gonna take a bit of a scoop here. Let's take a look at this amazing food. Really nice. I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this last dinner here, and we'll see a bit later. Oh yeah, that was a fantastic dinner as always here in Thailand. I just love Thai food. Now, since it's the last evening, I think we're gonna sit down and perhaps have a drink. I don't typically drink a lot of alcohol, probably just kind of a Coke, but nice to just relax and enjoy the evening a bit here and the nice warm weather. So we'll see. Probably gonna call it a night after that, and we'll see you tomorrow for the last day, but I'm just gonna enjoy the evening a little bit, relax. So see you later. Yeah, it turns out we found kind of a nice beach club here. This song definitely brings back some great memories here, but take it easy now, just waiting for the drink. Just love some good music, but not tonight. Gonna take it easy, so we'll see. Let's wait for the Coke. Yeah, when I hear this kind of music in the background, singing about cash money, it reminds me of clubbing days. That's not really my life these days, but fun to remind myself sometimes of the good old days, but less healthy ones. I'm just gonna end the evening here, so see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, that was fun having a bit of a club experience once again, but I think those days are over for me. Just gonna go back, call it an early night. Just have a few hours in the morning tomorrow before we go to the flight back. Then it's gonna be a very, very long flight with a transfer in Bangkok. So just gonna end it here and then probably see you tomorrow morning. Yeah, so good morning and welcome to the last day here in Phuket in Thailand. It's been a very nice travel trip so far. Hope you enjoyed both the Bangkok part. If you haven't seen it, maybe check out the other videos. And of course the last part here in Phuket, a lot of good food, a lot of swimming, poolside, and also some massage. But now it's time to fly back to Sweden. It's gonna be nice, also celebrate Christmas and relax a bit. Then I'm gonna go back to China again. So I guess I'm gonna see you guys there, if not in Sweden. But hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.